Okay guys, it's time to have a little bit more fun in the terminal. In a previous video, we discussed two very, very important terminal commands, terminal programs. We discussed fortune and we discussed calsay. Fortune, as you will remember, simply gives us a fortune here in the terminal. We just type the word fortune and it spits out some kind of fortune or joke or saying. Calsay. Calsay is a ASCII art cal with a little text bubble above it. So you run a program and you pipe that program into calsay. For example, fortune space, the pipe symbol, space, calsay. And we get a fortune in a text bubble above an ASCII art cal. Now, getting a little bit more advanced with the calsay program, calthink, fortune, pipe symbol, calthink, gives us another fortune, except now instead of this text bubble with a line, we have these little circles leading to the text bubble, basically implying that the cal is thinking rather than saying. Now let's add a little bit of color to our terminal. So a standard terminal command that you use all the time would be ls for list. So ls here is going to list all the directories in my home directory. That's cool, but how about ls pipe symbol lolcat? And that's a much better way of spitting that information out. You see the various colors. If I want to make it a little bit more, how about ls space dash LA for long format and list all, including the hidden directories. Pipe symbol lolcat. Oh yeah, I'm really digging the colors with lolcat. And you guys already know where I'm going to go with this. Fortune, pipe symbol calsay, pipe symbol lolcat. We get a fortune in calsay using the lolcat colors. Of course, I mentioned the ls command, the list command. There's actually a program out there called SL. Stands for Steam Locomotive. Look it up. It's probably in your repos. I know it's in the Arch repos. SL. And we get a nice Steam locomotive running across our terminal. How cool is that? Let's do a quick man. Man SL. Oh, man SL. Look at the SL man page. Cure your bad habit of mistyping. Okay. So basically, a lot of people mistype ls and accidentally type SL. This will correct that problem in a hurry. You also notice we have various flags we can give SL. The A flag, an accident is occurring. People cry out for help. Dash L, that's the little version of the train. Dash capital F, it flies like the Galaxy Express 999. You know what? Let's use these flags. So, you know what? Just for time's sake, I'm just going to use all three of those flags that we just saw. The dash A for accident, dash L for long or little train, and dash capital F for fast. Here's our little train with people crying out for help on the train, and the train is moving fast. Yeah. Speaking of ASCII art, a lot of you guys probably would like to do some ASCII text stuff in the terminal. There's a program that does this very well. It's called Figlet, Figlet. And for example, Figlet, space, and then a word or phrase. How about DistroTube? There you go, DistroTube and ASCII text. A much more advanced program to do ASCII text in the terminal is a program called Toilet. So Toilet, space, DistroTube. You can see it renders the ASCII text a little differently. You guys can review the Toilet man page, but there's a lot of options you can do with fonts and coloring and stuff with the Toilet command. For example, Toilet, DistroTube, and then give it the metal flag. Gives us this metal color scheme. Of course, there's no reason I couldn't just pipe that to lolcat and use lolcat's color scheme. Yeah. And putting several of these commands together, piping them into each other. You can do some pretty cool stuff here. This is fortune. piped into Ponysay using the eyes command. And, of course, toilet with the brushed metal look. But as cool as the ASCII art cow in Ponysay is, you know, sometimes you want something a little bit more graphical. There is a program out there called Ponysay. Ponysay is My Little Ponies. So, Fortune piped into Ponysay gives us a My Little Pony with a text bubble above it. It's all magic, Larry Wall. So, it's a little quote there. And it doesn't just give you one My Little Pony. If I run that same command again, it'll give me a completely different pony this time. Yeah, different fortune and a different pony. But let's be honest, you're not going to look like some kind of hardcore elite hacker if you're running something like Ponysay in the terminal. I mean, it's My Little Ponies. You want to look hardcore? SeeMatrix is the program you need to run. Anytime, you know, like some people that are not very computer savvy are coming near you or your computer, just run SeeMatrix. Yeah, they're going to think like you're, you know, like one of the top 10 hackers in the world when you run something like this. And if you want people to think you're some kind of hardcore criminal, gangster type, or maybe just a privacy nut, RIG, R-I-G, RIG. It quickly creates a fake identity for me. In this case, my name is now Dylan Langley. I live at 494 First Street, Spokane, Washington. It gives the correct zip code for Spokane and the correct area code for a phone number, 509. If I run RIG again, it will give me a completely different identity, this time Juliet Soto in Biloxi, Mississippi. So, that is a very quick look at a pretty good number of advanced terminal commands and their usage. Fortune, Ponysay, CalThink, lolcat, SL, Figlet, Toilet, Ponysay, SeeMatrix, and RIG. Guys, install these on your system. Learn them. Peace.